not everybody's gonna like Sinatra, and not everybody's gonna like Kurt Cobain. You know what I mean? I think if you want to be a successful musician, then you should play anywhere, anytime, for anyone that you can, and every time you have the opportunity, you know, you can take the opportunity. In New York, there's always an opportunity because there's always people around. You know, you go most other places in the world, there's not really people around. Just try to find something pretty, and then, you know, if it's pretty, then most people will maybe not stop and give you money, but they won't complain about it. I'm sitting on an amplifier, and that's illegal. I'm not supposed to be playing with an amplifier, but otherwise nobody's going to hear you. You're not going to make any money. New York is a loud city. You have to be loud, too. So there's always issues with cops and stuff like that, but, I mean, the music I choose to play is just whatever is beautiful.
I guess my big passion is jazz. That's why I came to New York. But it's fun to make people dance too. Playing jazz is very dynamic. The combos are always changing. Venues are changing. You know, you can play anywhere from the park to a big theater, a big festival. You know, and make anywhere from no money to a lot of money. My father plays jazz. He's a guitar player, so that was my main schooling. And a little bit in high school, and I took a year or two in college. I mean, the dream is to find yourself in a situation where, you know, work just comes at a steady enough pace that you can make a living playing, and that you're working with people that inspire you. The best situation is where you get paid really well, and you're playing with musicians that you really like, and the audience that you're playing for tends to hear you and is attentive. So if all of that is happening, that's like the highest level.
I always follow the music, no matter where I am, what city, what country, what street. If I hear the music, I go towards the music.
Combination. I look for musicians, and it just happens also. And I'll hear a sound and I'll follow the sound to find the music, or I'll see people gathered and I'll go to see what's happening, you know, what they're watching. So I'm very curious. It's the energy of the music, but it's also a certain sound I can't describe. I can't describe it. Usually I stop and I spend some time also in the subways, people performing in the subways in New York. It's great. It's what makes the city livable. It's what makes it human. It's the human dimension. Otherwise it's just big buildings. The people, the music, the performance. New York anyways is street theater, all of New York. Everything on the street is like theater in New York. There's something about the energy and the sound that makes me feel alive, and also makes me feel happy, very happy, and calm in a certain way. So it takes some of the stress.
낮은 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 풍경인한 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전인한 여자 나는 사랑해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 사랑해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 되는 사랑해 밤이 오면 심장이 따져버리는 사랑해 그런 사랑해 아름다워 쓰러워 그래 너 hey 그래 바로 너 hey 아름다워 쓰러워 그래 너 hey 그래 바로 너 hey 지금부터 어디까지 가볼까 이런 때가 아니에요 알려줘 반갑다 Thank you